Hey guys, this is Benny from Benny's Tech. I will be talking about 5 recommended WordPress plugins for your WordPress website. And these plugins are, number 1 is SEO plugins. And what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. Your websites need SEO because it helps to boost your website content, help you to rank on Google and other social media pages. It helps to analyze your content and improve engagement, thereby bringing customers to your businesses through your websites. So number 1 of these SEO plugins, I will recommend the Yoast plugin and all-in-one SEO. What they do is they analyze your content for SEO improvements. They build your SMS sitemap functionalities, social media integrations, and readability analysis for your content. So number 2 plugin is W3 Total Cache. And this cache plugins help to improve your website performance by optimizing your page load times, that's improving the speed in which your page loads, your website page loads, instead of rendering and static and driving away your customers. It improves the speed. Once they click your website opens without any delay, and it catches static files and reduces server load, resulting in faster page rendering for your visitors. So it makes your website user-friendly and more accommodating, thereby improving your business too. So number 3 plugin I would recommend is UpdraftPlus. This is very important. Updraft is a popular plugin. It's a backup plugin to back up your website files, your pictures, everything in your website, your documents and all that. So you could have a glitch, you could have a problem. Maybe you're trying to update a plugin and you mistakenly wiping your files or something happens. Backing up your website is important and crucial. So I highly recommend, if you're using a WordPress site or even any HTML site, or you should always back up your website. And one of the plugins I would recommend is UpdraftPlus plugin. It's very user friendly, understandable. So number 4 plugin is Wordfence. This is like the major plugin I usually recommend. Security to your website can never be overrated. So Wordfence is a comprehensive security plugin that helps to protect your website from various online threats. It includes protect your website from malware, scanning, login attempts, and monitoring other security features. So you get anything done to your website, you get instant update to your email address. So it helps to secure your website from hackers. So I recommend you get Wordfence plugin for your website. So number 5 and final plugin is Elementor. That is like the king of all the plugins. It helps to build your website pages, content, widgets, and all that. So Elementor is a popular page builder plugin that enables users to create custom layouts without coding. That's if you're a new WordPress website design, Elementor is one of the page builder I would recommend. It's user-friendly, it's highly flexible, user-friendly, and allows for visually appealing designs. So thank you for watching. Follow us for more. If you learned something, please leave a comment below and comment which other tutorial you want us to do. Thank you for watching. Bye.